CSS Animation. Animation means making an element move or change step by step over time. In CSS, animation is used to change things like color, position, size, or rotation automatically. In simple words, animation brings life to a web page. Parts of CSS animations. Keyframes. It tells what should change. Animation. It tells how long and how often. In the first animation, we change the background color. In the second animation, we change the button size.